Today, we are going to focus on creative thinking and problem solving. Creative thinking and problem solving, which is our chapter 4. Right, let us move to terms and definitions. Terms and definitions. The first term or first word is creative. Creative. Creative simply implies to a situation whereby you are original or you are coming up with something original. You are inventive or resourceful. Something originally yours. You did not copy the idea from someone else. Right. The second term is generate. Generate. To generate means to produce or to create something new in business or in a business situation. Companies are always producing or generating new ideas, new solutions, new strategies, new ways of doing things. Then the next term is creativity or innovative. It means ideas featuring new or original methods. You are producing ideas. These ideas are featuring new methods, original methods. The next term is creative thinking. Creative thinking simply implies to the ability to think original, varied new ideas or new approaches. Then the next term is decision making. Decision making. The process of analyzing a situation to identify strategies to bring about change. It is a process of analyzing the situation to bring strategies whereby in a business there is a problem, the company is struggling or having challenges. Therefore, if you are making decisions, you are bringing about change. You are intending to bring about change. Then the next term is problem solving. Experiencing uncertainty, difficulty in achieving what we want to achieve. The business is failing to achieve its objectives. It is failing to achieve its goals because of the problem which is prevailing. Then the next term is problem solving. Problem solving implies to the process of gathering facts that include problem finding and problem shaping. Then problem solving technique, that is another term. We mean various problem solving techniques which business uses to solve business related problems. For example, we use Delphi technique, force field analysis, nominal group technique, and brainstorming. These are problem solving techniques which we use to solve problems. Let us quickly move to the next slide. Right, meaning of problem solving. Meaning of problem solving. It is the process of analyzing a situation to identify strategies that can be used to change the situation. Problem solving requires creative thinking. In short, we are saying you cannot solve the problem if you're not a creative thinker. There is a need for you to be a creative thinker so that you may change the situation. Problem solving is a mental process that involves problem finding, which is the ability to identify the problem. You first identify the problem, then you can solve that. It is a process which involves problem shaping, which is the ability to bring or to break down the problem in such a way that a clear solution can be found. Always remember that businesses encounter so many challenges. Therefore, they break down those challenges into a clear situation whereby they can bring a solution, and that solution which is ideal to solve the problem. Right. Then the next slide is about meaning of decision making. Meaning of decision making. Decision making is a choice made by using one's judgment. It means the manager or the top level manager, usually under normal circumstances, is the top level manager will make a decision. Therefore, it means that they make a choice, they use their judgment to decide which solution can be made. Like, I normally use this example of Nokia company, the company which produces this mobile phone called Nokia. They made a decision. They had to choose between Android and Windows. Their phones used to be powered by Windows. Then they had to decide to change Windows and adopted the use of Android. Therefore, we regard that as a process of making decision, choosing what is good for the company. It is also aimed at finding a solution to a problem by choosing the best solution or course of action. Right, we will end here. Thank you for your participation. If you are having questions, feel free to ask.